Welcome to the best picks. The best Woolite Pods is probably one of the most convenient laundry solutions available today. These pre-measured pods eliminate the guesswork of pouring liquid detergent, promising the perfect amount of cleaning power every time. They're designed to dissolve completely in all water temperatures, leaving no residue behind, and are safe for all washing machines, including high-efficiency models. With their compact size and ease of use, Woolite Pods are a game-changer for anyone looking to streamline their laundry routine. Number 5. Woolite Darks Defense Detergent, Light Fresh Scent. Tired of your dark clothes fading after a few washes? This detergent is designed to keep them looking vibrant. It helps protect them from fading, so they stay dark. This detergent prevents fading, fuzzing, pilling, and stretching. It helps keep your clothes looking their best, wash after wash. This will help extend the life of your favorite garments. Not only does it protect your clothes, but it also cleans them effectively. It leaves your clothes with a light, fresh scent. You'll love how clean and fresh your clothes smell. This detergent is perfect for your favorite jeans, leggings, yoga pants, and blouses. It's specially formulated to care for your dark clothing. Keep your favorite items looking their best. You can use this detergent in cold water in both heat and regular washing machines. This helps save energy and is gentle on your clothes. It's convenient and effective. This detergent is free from optical brighteners, phosphates, and bleach. It's gentle on your clothes and the environment. It provides a safe and effective clean. This detergent protects from fading and pilling for up to 20 washes, and stretching for up to 6 washes. It provides long-lasting protection for your clothes. This will help extend the life of your favorite garments. What we like? This detergent is designed to keep your dark clothes looking their best. It prevents fading and pilling, ensuring your favorite jeans and leggings stay vibrant. If you have a wardrobe full of dark clothing that you want to protect, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Woolite Darks Defense is the first one that truly delivers on its promise. After several washes, my black jeans, navy tops, and even delicate fabrics like modal and rayon still look rich and unfaded. The scent is light and clean without being overpowering. It leaves clothes smelling fresh but not perfumey, which is perfect if you're sensitive to strong fragrances or you layer on your own scents later. It also rinses out beautifully, no residue, no stiffness. I've been able to use it on everything from my dark athletic gear to dress shirts without any shrinkage or color bleeding. Yet it still gets out sweat, city grime, and the occasional coffee spill. Number 4. Woolite Darks Defense Detergent, Light Fresh Scent. This detergent is designed to keep your dark clothes looking their best. It helps prevent fading, so your favorite items stay vibrant wash after wash. It prevents fading, fuzzing, pilling, and stretching. This means your clothes will maintain their shape and color, looking newer for longer. Not only does it protect your clothes, but it also cleans them effectively. It leaves a light, fresh scent, making your laundry smell great. It's perfect for your favorite jeans, leggings, yoga pants, and blouses. You can trust it to care for your most worn items. This detergent works effectively even in cold water. It's suitable for both heat and regular washing machines, offering convenience and versatility. It is free from optical brighteners, phosphates, and bleach. You can be confident that it is gentle on your clothes while still providing excellent cleaning and protection. It protects from fading and pilling for up to 20 washes, and stretching for up to 6 washes. This ensures your clothes stay in great condition for an extended period. What we like? This detergent is designed to keep your dark clothes looking their best. It prevents fading and pilling, ensuring your favorite jeans and leggings stay vibrant. If you have a smaller household or prefer a more compact size, this is the ideal option for you. What people say. Woolite Darks Defense is the first one that truly delivers on its promise. After several washes, my black jeans, navy tops, and even delicate fabrics like modal and rayon still look rich and unfaded. The scent is light and clean without being overpowering. It leaves clothes smelling fresh but not perfumey, which is perfect if you're sensitive to strong fragrances or you layer on your own scents later. It also rinses out beautifully, no residue, no stiffness. I've been able to use it on everything from my dark athletic gear to dress shirts without any shrinkage or color bleeding. Yet it still gets out sweat, city grime, and the occasional coffee spill. Number 3. Woolite Damage Defense Laundry Detergent, Light Fresh. This detergent is designed to protect your clothes from the wear and tear of the washing machine. It helps prevent damage, keeping your clothes looking their best wash after wash. It prevents fading, fuzzing, pilling, and stretching, so your clothes stay vibrant and in great shape. This will help extend the life of your favorite garments. Not only does it protect your clothes, but it also cleans them effectively, leaving them with a light, fresh scent. It's a great choice for everyday laundry needs. This laundry detergent is perfect for a variety of clothes, including yoga pants, blouses, and jeans. It's a versatile choice for your wardrobe. You can use this detergent in cold water in both heat and regular washing machines. It's convenient and efficient for all your laundry needs. It is free from optical brighteners, phosphates, bleach, and dyes. It is gentle on your clothes and the environment. What we like. This detergent goes beyond just cleaning. It actively protects your clothes from damage during the wash cycle. It prevents fading and pilling, keeping your clothes looking new. If you are looking for a detergent that offers comprehensive protection for your garments, you should consider this. What people say. Effective product. Cleans well. Rinses clean. Clean scent, not perfumey, so can use it men's delicate shirts too. And it does make colored clothes retain their color and seems to preserve materials. First time wash of a new hand wash only knit sweater with varied types of silver gold thread and various shapes sizes of thread pattern. The sweater washed without fringe or pilling and worked drying with no dryer in 2 days. The color stayed in the whole mixed pattern. It was very easy tiring during despite being a heavy sweater. Detergent grays water after bubbles but the clothing remains intact. I would recommend this. It's gentle on fabric and colors stay vibrant. It removes fresh organic based stains like ketchup or blood. Just rinse the fabric in cold water. Pour some of the Woolite full strength on the stain and rub vigorously. Number 2. Woolite Delicates Hypoallergenic Laundry Detergent. Introducing Woolite Delicates, a hypoallergenic laundry detergent. It's specially formulated to be gentle on your skin, hands, and clothes. This detergent helps keep the clothes you love looking like new, even after 30 washes. It's designed to maintain the quality of your fabrics. Woolite Delicates prevents fading, shrinking, or stretching. This makes it safe for delicate fabrics like wool, silk, and cashmere. This detergent is suitable for hand wash, regular machines, and heat washers. It offers versatility for all your laundry needs. It contains no bleach, phosphates, or enzymes. This ensures that it's gentle on your clothes, helping them last longer. What we like. This detergent offers a hypoallergenic formula that is gentle on both your skin and your delicate fabrics. It prevents fading, shrinking, or stretching, even on sensitive materials. If you have sensitive skin or a lot of delicate items, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Even after several washes, my delicate fabrics like wool and silk look as vibrant as the day I bought them. Whether I'm hand washing a single item or using my machine for a larger load, this detergent gets the job done efficiently. I use a tiny amount of this detergent to wash my silk pillowcases and it gets the job done well. No scent, no skin irritation, nothing. Number 1. Woolite Laundry Capsules with Keratin, 28 caps. Introducing Woolite Laundry Capsules, designed to protect your dark and denim clothes. This product helps prevent color fading, keeping your clothes looking newer for longer. Specifically formulated for black, dark, and denim fabrics, it helps maintain the vibrancy of your favorite clothes. Each capsule is packed with color-protecting power. Each bag contains 28 capsules, enough for 28 loads of laundry. It's convenient and easy to use, ensuring your clothes get the care they deserve. Enjoy the fresh and pleasant smell that Woolite leaves on your clothes. It adds a touch of freshness to every wash, making your laundry experience more enjoyable. Each capsule contains 22 g of product, totaling 616 g per bag. This product is made in Europe, ensuring high quality and effective cleaning. The resealable pouch keeps the capsules fresh and easy to store. This ensures the capsules are protected and ready for your next laundry day. What we like. These capsules are specifically designed to prevent color fading, keeping your darks and denims looking vibrant. The capsules are easy to use and offer a pleasant smell. If you like the convenience of pre-measured capsules and want to protect the color of your clothes, you should consider these. What people say. Since I started using this product instead of the other pods, I've noticed a significant difference with color. Even some faded items appear to have some color back in them. I'm finding that even my older dark clothes seem to be a little more vibrant, and it seems to have really maintained the colors of my black t-shirts that normally fade out after a couple of washes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.